In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Trello board ID in just 5 minutes. If you've ever needed to locate your Trello board's ID for integration purposes or just sheer curiosity, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to navigate to Trello. You can do this easily by going to trello.com on your web browser. If you're not already familiar, Trello is a fantastic tool that helps you capture, organize, and tackle your to-dos from anywhere. Once you've arrived at the Trello homepage, the next step is to log into your account. If you're not logged in yet, just find the log in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and give it a click. Enter your username and password and you'll be logged into your workspace. Logging in ensures you have access to your boards and sets you up for the next steps. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Trello workspace. This is the central hub for all the boards you're part of. It's organized, intuitive, and gives you a clear view of your available resources and tasks. Once you're in your workspace, look for the specific board you're interested in. You might have several boards, but for this example, let's say we're looking for My Trello board. Locate it and click on it to open. Once you've navigated to My Trello board, the next thing you want to do is look for a card within that board. A card in Trello is essentially a task or an item on your to-do list. Clicking on a card will open it up, giving you a detailed view of its contents and any associated tasks or information. Now, with your card open, take a look at the URL in your web browser. The URL holds many valuable pieces of information, including your board ID. It might look like a jumble of letters and numbers, but with a little know-how you can decipher it. Typically, your board ID is part of this URL. It is the string of characters that follows the initial domain and your board-specific content. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily find the Trello board ID you're looking for. This knowledge can be incredibly useful, especially when dealing with integrations or automations that require such specific identifiers. Remember, while it might seem technical, understanding how to locate your Trello board ID can empower you to use Trello more effectively. Thanks for joining me today in discovering how to get your Trello board ID. I hope you found this guide straightforward and easy to follow. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy organizing, and until next time, keep optimizing your workflows.